Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna build a little track in this little area right here. And Matthew and Viola is gonna help her with the little sports glove because she's a race car driver. And Matthew's, of course, racing himself. Ready, set, go! And Viola's gonna catch him. Wow! All right, so let me show you the track that we're gonna build. Of course, the shocks, pretty cool. So here's the track. And we're gonna try to set this up, and it's gonna be 46 feet by 72 feet. And we're gonna try and fit this in this spot. And I'm gonna use my little measuring tape, and we're gonna use the drone so we can see from the top what's going on. Probably gonna do first is measure out a square, and then kind of estimate. Every square is 2 feet, so I'm gonna probably use that to get a ideal outline, and then we're gonna draw the whole thing. Hold on. And after we get it all outlined, then I'm gonna outline some spots with white, and then we're gonna do the whole thing with pink ground spray, so it will be more visible on this yellow brownish dirt ground, because with white it's going to be hard to see, but with pink it's going to be hopefully a lot easier to see for them to drive. Hot pink, yeah, we're going to get hot pink. Let me get the hot pink. Hold on. Okay, here's the pink ground paint that we're going to use for the outlines, but we're going to use white first to kind of dot some areas, and then this will be the final spray, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be pretty visible against the ground, so we'll see how it looks once we're done.
Let's go. Yeah.
So let's get this outline going and see how it turns out. So let's go. Alright guys, we just finished the track. We did an outline with the white, and then now we just finished it with the pink, and I wasn't able to get all the video with the drone because I ran out of space on the drone. Plus it was getting dark, so it was hard to see with the drone anyways. So we now finished it, and we put the lights on their car, so it's going to be the 24-hour Le Mans. And you know, if you're going to be a good racer at night, you're going to be an excellent racer during the day. So, and I ran out of paint as well. I couldn't finish the finish line, start line. So I'm gonna tell them to go, and they're gonna go, and then I'll tell Viola to go fast, and then she's gonna go into second gear and show us what she got. All right, are you guys ready? Get set, go. Here we go, and the 24-hour Le Mans is off, and these little racers are going at night. Hopefully they don't crash into cones. Viola is way ahead of the pack. Matthew, where are you going? No, no, no. Matthew doesn't know where he's going. It's too dark. Come on, Matthew, keep going. You're good. Matthew, go forward. No, 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 forward. Oh, no, we have an accident on the track. Matthew, go forward. Go. Go, 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 go. Maybe his battery's getting slow and, okay. Here we go. Matthew McQueen is back on the track. He's gonna not catch Viola, but Viola's gonna catch us. Matthew's having trouble keeping in between the lines. Okay, Viola, you can go fast now. Matthew, where are you going? Back up, reverse. Okay, Viola, go fast. Let's go. Here we go, and Viola Drifter is gonna go around the corner here. Perfect maneuver into the S-turn. And she's gonna catch us right now. She's gonna catch up to Matthew. Hopefully there's not gonna be an accident. And she went on the inside and barely tapped the cone. She took the long way and Matthew didn't take the shortcut because there's a shortcut right here. Matthew went all the way around. Matthew's catching up someday. Matthew, you okay? I really gotta upgrade his battery, but once he gets a little better. Where are you going, Matthew? He's going backwards. Matthew, where are you going? You're gonna cause an accident. Okay, you gotta go back. Reverse. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Watch out. There's gonna be another driver coming up behind you. There she goes. The Corvette Z06. And Matthew's continuing on his path of going backwards. I guess he found a different route to get on the track. And here we go, and the game is back on. All right, Matthew, I think you can finish this lap today. While Viola is doing her 4th lap, I believe. Matthew, where are you going again? No, Matthew, you gotta go reverse. Okay, hold on. Let's go reverse, let's go. Okay, Viola, wait for Matthew. Matthew, no, come back, reverse. This boy's having a little hard time at night, but it's all right. Let's go. You show back, 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 back. Turn left, left. Turn, no. Matthew, turn left. Other way. This way, correct. Let's go. More. Okay, go forward. Let's go to the finish line, Matthew. Let's go. Here we go. We're gonna finish this first lap. Matthew, watch out for the wall. And there you go. And stop.
I think I did 2
All right, stop.
3 laps.
There you go. Stop. I think you did 4, maybe. I don't know. So we finally completed our first session. They're both winners in my book. They both did great job. Matthew, what are you doing? Were you celebrating?
Yay!
He's celebrating. Alrighty. All right, guys. So thank you for watching this silly video. Tomorrow I'll try to do another video with them during the day, see how they do, and we'll see how the track looks from the drone point of view. And maybe they'll do another race and see if they crash into walls and cones or go backwards on the track. All right, guys, so we'll see you tomorrow on the next video during the day. Let's go.